I just got here and I'm starting the tour with the reception downstairs. That is my bed there. So this is what the reception looks like. Let me go to another angle. So I just came in from that door. That's Yinka again. So you can sit here if you just come around to see me. And then guys, just check out the lighting. One of my best. So let's go upstairs. So we have decor along the stairs. Yes. Okay. So now we're on the first floor, and this is what the living area looks like, guys. Like, this is crazy. So we already have some things there. We bought some things on our way here. We have all of that. Lighting again, crazy. So guys, this is our dining area. Even though we won't be eating much, so we have some documents there to fill. And then let me stay somewhere else and give you guys a quick overview. So I just came in from that end there, and then we have the living area. Okay, so now coming back, this is the first room downstairs, like on the first floor, and this is the guest room. So there's the wardrobe, the bed, the nightstand, and then we have the bathroom and the toilet. Yeah, so the mirrors actually come with some lights. I don't know, okay, that's not connected. So that's me. Hi guys. And then coming out of the bathroom, there's a TV. All the rooms actually have TVs. So let me stand at the entrance and then give you guys a quick overview. Yeah, so that's the room. Then next is the kitchen. So we actually have a washing machine, we have a fridge, and then we have the cooker if we want to eat and cook up something. So we won't be doing much of that anyway. So we have all this sugar, tea, coffee, salt. We have the microwave, and then we have the oven, which sadly I won't be using. Okay, so let me give you a quick overview again. Dining, living space, the guest room, and the kitchen. So now I'm going upstairs to the second floor. Guys, I really can't wait to just settle in. I'm so excited. I've looked forward to this for like 2 months already. So this is called the chillaxation room. We have wine, we have some vodka, we have NSC, you know. This is just a place where you can sit and chill, and then you can have drinks while chilling, right? There's also a TV here, and you just have fun. So we have a door here that leads to I think the balcony. Yes, the balcony. Okay, that's the doorbell. So this is going to be my room. It's the master bedroom. Guys, see the space. It's crazy. It's so big, and I'm just going to be the only one on this bed. Can you imagine that? Okay, so that's me again in the mirror. Hello guys. We have this spot here where you can just chill. I'm going to be walking there very soon. And then we have the TV again, the closet, my dresser. Nothing is going to be in there. So that's me again. Hi guys. Okay, so this is my favorite part, the bathroom. So this comes with lights, and then you can turn it off. And then we have the jacuzzi and your privacy here. So there's also a shower here in case you want to shower. And I think, okay, I didn't notice this earlier, but so we have soap, the shampoo, moisturizer, and the body wash. So that's great because I didn't come with any of that. And guys, I recently started falling in love with plants, so I'm glad that there's one here. So let me give you the room view from the bathroom side, and then overview. overview. So guys, I'm going out of the room now. I'm going back here. This is the relaxation room, and then I'm taking you guys to the next room. So my friend is going to be here. So there's also a very big bed, the TV, nice lighting, the dresser, a very nice mirror. Hi guys. So a chill spot here, and then we have our own bathroom. So she has a shower, she also has the soap and all that, then the toilet. So let me turn this off. I don't know if we turn it on. So that's crazy. Yes, so this is a quick overview of the other room. That's the third room. So there are 3 rooms actually, and we're about 2 right now. I'm still expecting a friend. I just don't know if she'll be staying over. So I'm going back downstairs now. So from the 2nd floor, I'll go downstairs. Okay, so I'm back here now, and let me take you guys back to the reception where we started this from. Hi guys! Oh my god! So this is the reception. This is where anybody that comes around while I'm here, that's where they're going to be. That's flat over there. I love it. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the previous clips of this beautiful space where we are right now. I'm here with my friend. Her name is Yinka. I have her in one of my vlogs. Mommy's need a break. So she's here again. Like anytime I have my mommy breaks, she's one of the few sets of friends that I always call, right? So I'm here. I'm expecting one more person. I think she will come in like later in the day. But like I said, I want this free night out with my friends back in May, and today is the day that we get to come here and just enjoy this beautiful space while hanging out with ourselves and chilling with some Netflix and just pretty much having fun, like just fun, right? I always look forward to resting anytime I can because I work so hard. Yes, I know, right? I work so hard. So any opportunity I get to rest, I jump at it. Like I don't play with it. So this is me here. If we get up to anything interesting, I'll be sure to carry you guys along. But really, I don't think there's going to be anything much. Just probably watch some TV and just like we don't get to see ourselves regularly. So anytime we see ourselves, you know now, girls. So anyway, I don't want this video to be too long, but thank you Sophie, thank you Shortlet Homes, thank you KG, and I'm really honored to be here, and I promise you guys I'll bring a lot of my friends here. Trust me, I like those kind of things. Anyway, so I'll see you guys very soon. I'll drop their contact here just in case you enjoy the view and you would like to come here anytime you're in Lagos, Nigeria, and you need a place to stay. They have everything. I'm sure you saw that in the video I did. You just come here with your luggage, like your clothes. That's all. Don't come with anything, and you can stay here for as long as you want in comfort. There's Wi-Fi, you know, like I said, there's Netflix. Just chill, like, and there's a pool downstairs, even though I don't think I'll be using that this time around. But so guys, I've been talking too much. I'll see you guys soon. Bully. Okay, so I just have a few wafers here. I didn't remember. Sorry, you started it. And then I have some. I'm going to show all your faces so that they will know the people that are shouting. I have some chocolates, and then we have grapes, and then we have water and and some treats. Let me show you the person that. So Yinka, how do you feel?
Oh, I think this place is really great. Like, first of all, the ambience when you come inside is just really nice. It's quiet, it's relaxing, it's comfortable. Just a place to get away from all the noise. Then I think for people that are not in Nigeria, if you are here at any point in time, this is a great place to come. It's actually very affordable as well. It's really nicely furnished. I mean, it's really great.
It's a home away from home.
Exactly. Shortlet Homes is really great. I think everybody should even have at least one night in this place.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Charles, how do you feel?
Oh, so it was really nice. Yeah. Coming in from the door to, I mean, everywhere looks really nice and comfortable, and it's affordable for the price. And yeah, like she said, it's somewhere you should go once in a while to have a quiet time. And I think everybody should actually do it.
It's the next morning now. I know I didn't vlog much, but we're about leaving now, and they actually just came in with this bag, and trust me, all of my favorite things are in this one bag. I'm not going to tell you what the content of the bag is, but just know that this is what you get when you actually come to Shortlet Homes. I'm going to leave their details in the description box below, and I'm sure you will be very curious. My friends are here. We all have fun. Everyone, you know, I'm sure nobody wants to leave really, but you know, we have to go home, right? If it was a weekend, we probably have paid for an extra night, but we can always come here anytime. This is like a home away from home. If you want peace, you want quiet, you want that time with your friends, you want that time with your family, out of the comfort of your actual home, trust me, this is the place to be. And I don't want to say too much. Don't think they paid me. This is like free PR, trust me. But it's because I'm very impressed and I'm very happy that I got to spend that time out with some of my favorite people, right? So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.